I am an explorer on a quest, and today I'm searching high and low for answers to the most poignant question in life. Who's hiring now? With so much upheaval and turmoil in the job market, you might be thinking you'll never work again. Well, fear not. Today we're exploring who's hiring and how to connect with those opportunities.
My name is Lacey DeLuca.
My name is Madeline.
And welcome to the Rambling Recruiter.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, you should subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new tip, trick, or tutorial again. Welcome to Pleasant Valley Park. Since the start of the coronavirus outbreak, we've lost 35 million jobs and have unemployment at 15%. But believe it or not, it's not all horrible news. There are companies out there hiring. Who are they? How do you find them? Over the last 50 years, we've seen a large number of what you would call the upwardly mobile middle-class jobs disappearing from America. They've moved to China, they've moved to India, they've been offshored to consultants. What's replaced them have been a larger number of lower-paying service roles, which were very quickly determined to be non-essential during the COVID-19 outbreak. For every 10 jobs that have been lost, 3 new ones have been created. That's still a net loss of 7, which is
not good. Believe me, not good.
However, there are opportunities out there for those willing to stretch themselves and to take on new challenges and new responsibilities. Probably the biggest employer hiring on anybody's mind these days is Amazon. Now, Amazon has created a ton of controversy. Do they have safe working conditions? Are they treating their employees well? These are all things that are open to debate, and you will get different answers from different people. But the fact of the matter is, Amazon has hired over 150,000 new employees and has plans to hire 100,000 more. The list of companies hiring certainly doesn't stop with Amazon. Albertsons is hiring 50,000 people. Walmart is hiring 50,000 people. FedEx is hiring 35,000. Allied Universal is hiring more than 30,000. If you quiero Taco Bell, well, they're hiring 30,000 people. Ace Hardware is hiring 30,000 people, Pizza Hut 30,000, Lowe's 30,000, and Dollar Tree 25,000. Instawork is looking for 30,000, so is Papa John's and 7-Eleven. But Amazon's not the only major employer hiring. Check out CVS, check out Instacart. Like in any other rapidly changing economy, there are winners and there are losers. You know who's a winner? Cleveland Clinic, they're hiring 2,000 positions. General Motors is hiring thousands of people. Mercy Health hiring 1,900. Premium Retail Services is hiring more than 1,700 positions. VMware is hiring more than 1,500. PAE is hiring 1,400. Capital One is hiring 1,300. Wells Fargo is looking for 1,000 people. TJ Maxx is hiring 1,200. Mars is hiring 1,200. Cisco is hiring 1,200. My own alma mater, Pfizer, is hiring 600. It's definitely tougher out there now, but there's more. So many more. Far too many to put in one video. Now, this is in no way a definitive list. Check LinkedIn. They update every single day with who's hiring now and how many positions they're looking to fill, including links to those companies' career websites. So you should definitely be on LinkedIn and checking that on a daily basis. Speaking of, if you're on LinkedIn, join my LinkedIn networking group. It's totally free, and it's a great place to connect with job seekers like yourself and hear about great opportunities. As you're applying for these new jobs and getting interviews, they're likely to take place over video. Now do this. To see a demonstration of a video interview, check out the video that's over here. And the one that's over here is the one that YouTube thinks you're gonna like the best, and they're pretty much always right about that, so check it out. Enjoy the rest of your job-seeking day. Stay classy, YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.